Hi everyone, my name is Kartik and today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami transforming ninja star. So it looks like this and we can move it in any direction. So as you can see, here's a ninja star, transforming ninja star. So we can open it just like this. So it can be used as a frisbee, so like we can play like this, or it can be used as a photo frame, just like this. So as you can see, I have a photo. So what we can do is we can put it over here and then it's a photo frame. So let's start making this. So for making this, you need 4 origami sheets of one color and 4 origami sheets of another color. So let's start. So I have a green sheet. So let's start. We have the white side on the top, and let's start. So for making this, first you have to take one corner till the other corner. So like this, you have to fold it like this. Then we open it and fold it the other way from here. So we get a cross over here. So as you can see a cross and a middle point, center. So we put it the back side and we fold it into half, just like this. So we have a center line over here, crossing the middle center point over here. Then you have to open it, and from the other side you have to take 2 corners, so one corner over here and one corner over here till this center point. So just like this, as you all can see. Same from this side. So we fold it like this from this side and same from over here. Then after doing this step, you have to open it and then you have to fold it like this. Fold it, and before folding here you have to pinch your finger over here and just fold it like this. There you go, you have the first piece ready. Then you have to make 3 other pieces of this green color and 4 pieces of the another color. So I have it orange, as you can see. So I have all the pieces over here, the same pieces. So let's start assembling them. I have the orange piece. I take a green piece and then I put it inside it like this, where we have the conical point. So insert it over here, just like this. And then you have to fold these 2 conical points inside this flap, just like this. We fold it over here, and same we have to do over here, just like this. Now we take another orange piece and insert it inside the green piece, just like we did before. and then like this. And then you have to assemble all the pieces just like this. So I am doing it. Alternate colors, you have to do it by alternate colors. And now we have the last green piece. So as you can see, there are two orange pieces over here. So we insert this green piece between these both. So here we insert it as we did earlier. Just like this. And then this orange piece inside screen piece. So we are done with the origami transforming ninja stars. It looks like this. And so we made it right now. So as you all can see, is the first time we are opening it, so it takes few seconds or approximately 1 minute to open, as it's the first time we are opening it. So this is the tricky part of this model. Wow, we're done with it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel Kartik's Kraft, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon, and you all can send me your request of origami models in the comments below, and I will surely upload that video. Thanks for watching. Bye.